Hello and welcome. This is the Rapido Dreamer camper van. I say the word Rapido because that's the owner. This Dreamer, it's on a Peugeot base, but I mean it can come on Fiat base. In recent years, vehicles have changed onto various bases, but I don't really think it makes all that much difference. D55 Fun Addict. It's 65,630 euros. It's a 6-meter camper van, 205 centimeters across, and this is what it looks like inside. Now let's turn the lights on if I can. I can't. You know why I can't? No, I can. Look at that. Oh, everything's come on. Not everything, almost everything. Let's just turn the lights on. Oh yes, that's a bit better. We're getting there. So, width-wise bed at the back, lots of space here, storage at the top. Coming back here, I don't like this toilet at all, but I'm going to show it to you anyway. I don't have to like it to show it to you. There's the toilet in there. I think a nice sliding door would have make all the difference. Now it's got this very unusual wardrobe, but hey, you're either washing yourself or you're taking stuff out of the wardrobe. It's one or the other. Let's see if I can get it open. Comes out like that, swings out. What was that noise? Oh. And in here, access to your wardrobe again. There's your shower. I'll turn the light on, see if the light's working. It is. There's your shower. I'd like to have seen 2 drainage points. Anyway, unusual. I mean, it's using the space up to the max. So I think that's the point. I think that's good. Okay, here we've got a big fridge, which I'd open and show you. And it's stuck. I've unstuck it. Kitchen over here, 2 burners and a sink. We've got storage below. Notice it's got proper sides to the drawers. I like that. We've got there's the 230 volt. We've got 12 volt. Place for spice jars. Forward facing bench. The table, as you can see, will extend by an extra bit which comes out. Plenty of light coming in thanks to the fact we've got this window up here. And okay, there's no storage up there, but I'd rather have a window have the light. So that I think is quite good. I don't like, actually, to be quite honest, the more I think about this shower, I certainly don't like that toilet anyway. The shower, I've got mixed feelings on. Here we've got extra additional storage as well, and up there we've got a table extension with storage below it. Oh, it's nice. Alright, have a look round the side and the back. What's that down there? That's something to make an extra bed with, and if you want to carry something like that, that's fair enough, but you can see how much space it's taken up in the back, and it's only part of what's needed to make up the extra bed. Get an inflatable mattress. That'll do the job just as well. 2 gas canisters go in there. There's for an outdoor shower. And come round here. So there you go. That is the Addict from Dreamer. I think this vehicle, D55, I think Dreamer do better ones than this, and I'll show you them in different videos. Thanks for watching.